English don't is Jamaican no. But Jamaican don't is English, isn't it? Let me explain.
Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican language simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican language teacher from Jamaica. Now, before we begin, I just want to say a big thank you to all those persons who noticed my absence for a few months off of YouTube and sent me messages, checking up on me, asking me how I was doing and all of that. Thank you so much. It really made me feel special. And for those of you who are wondering, nothing was wrong with me. I just got offline for a few months because I was tired, basically. But thank you so much if you reached out to me, and thank you for all the encouragement as well. Now let's get into this video. Don't in English means to not do something. It is a contraction between two words, do and not. So you put them together, you contract them, and then you get don't. Now, one way you can express this idea in Jamaican language is by using no. No. That's one way you can express it, no. Now, let me show you some example sentences. Now, an example sentence would be, English, don't enter. In order to express this idea in Jamaican, you can say, no go in there. No go in there. That's just one way you can express it. There are many ways to express this one idea. But in this example, we're going to use this one. No go in there. And if you notice, no here means don't. This is another variation in spelling. No go in there. No go in there. Don't enter. Another example is don't leave as yet. In Jamaican, one way to express this idea is no go yet. No go yet. And here we have two different spellings. This is an alternative spelling. By the way, guys, if you would like to support this channel, please watch the ads or purchase a sticker or become a member of the Patreon class. The details are in the description below. So, English don't is Jamaican no. When is don't used in Jamaican? Now look at this example. This nice but don't. This nice but don't. This is how we use don't in Jamaican, and this means this is really nice, isn't it? So when you see the word don't used in Jamaican, it means, isn't it? This nice but don't. This is really nice, isn't it? Another variation is don't it. Don't it. So where you have don't, you could have don't it. This nice but don't it. Don't it. And then that would mean the same thing. It's really nice, isn't it? And if you notice, it's always used as a question at the end. Don't it, like you're inviting a response. Now, the other half of this lesson, which contains 10 practice sentences, can be found over on Patreon. The link is in the description bar below. Now to recap, English don't is Jamaican no. Jamaican don't or don't it is English, isn't it? Now, I hope that was a little bit clearer, but if you would like to have some more practice, please join the Patreon class where I will be giving you 10 more practice sentences and explaining what they mean over there. The link is in the description bar below. Thank you so much for watching, and please follow me on Instagram, on TikTok at Shan's Patois Academy, and please subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or if you would like to contact me, please send me an email at this email address. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican patois vocabulary. Adi bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.